In the beginning of things, when mankind started to populate the earth, the man Gikuyu, the founder of the tribe, was called by the Mogai, the divider of the universe, and was given as his share the land with the ravines, the rivers, the forests, the game, and all the gifts that the Lord of Nature bestowed on mankind. At the same time, Mogai made a big mountain, which he called Kirinyaga, as his resting place went on inspection tour and as a sign of his wonders.
It is probable that Kirinyaga, or Mount Kenya, wasn't seen by a white man until the middle of the 19th century. This part of the world was one of the last to be discovered by Europe. Even the slave trade had left it fairly undisturbed. On the sweeping highland plains, great nomadic tribes lived with their herds. In the fertile hills, the planters reclaimed the land. Different peoples lived side by side, now in contact, now in isolation, now in conflict, now in cooperation. When we first saw white people, they looked to us like premature children. It was taboo to see such things, and we had to undergo a cleansing ceremony. A ram was slaughtered, and its intestines spread on both sides of a river. We had to pass over the intestines to prevent taboo.
Hende one gwetaimire muthiri gwatiriri na maito ni moru na baba ni moru ni ende Mugikuyu ndingigarura ndini